The box functions, when you're designing screens, can be very valuable for designing screens, not just putting boxes on the screen. You remember here we have this box and it looks very nice, but you can actually use the box functions to do things. Let me show you what I mean. If we go, let's go to screen 0, which is a sort of ugly screen. And you remember last time I came here to this and I spaced over these things like this, you know, and then I used F1 and I pushed all these things over this way, you know, and I did all that sort of stuff. Okay, I'm going to press cancel here. The screen back to the way it was. There's a faster way to do all this stuff. For instance, I could come here and I could start a box by pressing F7, come down here and press B and blank that area just in one shot. Or I could blank this area. God. Now I can, even cooler thing is I can take an area like this. There we go. I'll take these 3 fields and I'm going to press M to move. M. Now I have my little area lined out and I'm going to push it way over here and down a couple. Yeah, I think I'll leave it right over here. That's pretty neat. See how I move those fields? Now I can just do whatever I want. Let's say I want to draw a box around them here. There we go. And again, if I want to, I can move, whether this is a box or not, you can move things. Let's say I want to move this whole box, even though it has the graphics there. It already has the box there. If I say move, I can move this box wherever I want. If I move it here, that's where it goes. Let's say I want to center this box. Let's get my cursor all the way to the end. I started the F7 up at the top for the box functions. I press M for move. Let's say I want to center it horizontally. I press H for center horizontally, and I hit enter. If I had pressed move, M for move, and then V, it will center the box vertically. Another cool thing you can do with box functions for design is you can, aside from moving things, you can start a box function. Look where I'm starting it. I'm starting it inside the box, right where the field is. Okay. Well, first let me show you this. If I want to make a particular field very important, let's say this phone field, I could just turn on reverse or inverse video and put this field indicator in reverse video. Now I press update. If I go into resolve fields, that whole field is in inverse video because the field indicator was in reverse video. That's kind of neat. So when the user types into that field, it will be typing into a reverse video field. He or they will be typing into a reverse video field. Don't mean to insult any of my users. Some of them may be its, but most of them are thems. Now here's what I was going to show you a second ago. I can start a box function here. Go down, I'll come around over there with the left arrow, go to the bottom inside corner of this box, and I'm going to press I for inverse. Notice how the whole box now is inverse. That box, inverse. May not be where the ends of the fields are exactly. I didn't do it for that purpose, just to show you that. You can draw color anywhere you want. You can draw anything you want. And you don't have to have just field titles. You can put my screen here. You can type anything you want anywhere. Or you can put a field up here. You can put field 1 right here. You can put field like 9 right there without any field title next to it. Of course, it doesn't resolve. Oh, it does resolve. Makes it just fine. Why do you want to do that? It's sometimes you do. There are times you want to do things with FilePro screens that make them a little strange. But you don't have to put fields next to field headings, and you don't have to have fields under or below them or anywhere. You can put them practically anywhere you want. Let's go look and inquire, update, and edit this screen. Okay, now I'm going to enter some data. You see that the data in the field, in the phone field, when I'm typing the data in, it doesn't care. I can clear the field. If I type anything in here, still takes it, thinks it's fine. Same thing with these fields. Okay. You can still type into those fields, do anything you want with them. This is kind of neat stuff. Designing screens in FilePro is always fun.